Hey, how's everybody doing today? This is Rob with Earthbound Overland. Today I'm going to go over the hidden bumper bracket install for Rago Fabrication's 2016-2017 Toyota Tacoma brackets. As you can see, the kit comes with both brackets you're going to need. I went with the Freedom LEDs 32-inch bar. Got the wiring harness, installation hardware. Alright, first thing we got to do is remove the grill. We were going to do that. We got two 10mm bolts here and two clips, one on each corner. We're going to remove those and pop the grill out. Right here, we've got two pins. Take a flathead screwdriver. Just pop the pin, remove it. One on the opposite side as well. We should be able to just lift and pop out the grill. Should be. So here's what it looks like. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to remove these air dams to get access to where we're going to be installing the brackets. See if I can get some more light in. Alright, so we got another pin down here. Get the screwdriver, get that out, and it should just remove from there. There we go. What this is going to do Gives us access to these bolts right back here. That's where the brackets are going to mount to. So let me grab my socket and we'll get these going and getting off. Okay, so for the driver's side, come right back in here. Got bumper, lowered bolts holding on the bumper system. So we're just going to remove the two outer ones to mount our driver's side bracket to. Alright, back over to the passenger side. I'm going to show you how to get the bracket on. Just going to slip it in here. Got the two bolts that hold on the bumper. And that's it. It's in there, just on there. Driver's side's going to be the same. We're going to use the factory hardware to retain this in. So I'm going to go ahead and get that on, and then we'll get the light bar in. Just the driver's side one in now. One thing I did forget to mention on the passenger side, you do not want to tighten these all the way down, just so when you get the light bar in, you can still adjust and aim and everything before you tighten it all the way down. So again, two outer bolts. Just going to slip right on. We're going to use the factory hardware. Use the factory hardware to get this installed. Alright, in order to get some room to get your light bar in, you're going to remove this bolt here with a 13mm socket. That'll give you a little bit of leeway with this cooler to be able to push it up out of the way and get your light bar in behind it. We've got those undone. Push that back out of the way, give us a little bit more flexibility when getting the light bar in. After a little bit of trial and error and dropping some hardware into the bumper and having to fight to get it back, I've got it just loosely installed, my Freedom LED bar behind the bumper. I'm gonna go through, tighten everything up. One last thing you're gonna have to do, these air dams that we pulled off at the beginning, they will need to be notched from just below this pin to this corner here to fit around the bracket. So that is going to be your installation of the 2016-17 Rago hidden bumper brackets for your light bar.